Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast with bread. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for this delightful breakfast. You'll need 6 slices of slightly stale bread, like brioche or challah, which absorbs the custard beautifully. For the custard, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. This simple combination forms the base of a truly delicious breakfast. Now let's create that rich custard. In a shallow dish, whisk together your 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt until everything is thoroughly combined and smooth. Next, gently dip each slice of bread into the custard, allowing it to soak for about 20 to 30 seconds on each side. This ensures the bread is fully saturated but not soggy, leading to a wonderfully tender interior. With your bread perfectly soaked, it's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter or a neutral oil in a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, carefully place your dipped bread slices into the pan. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are cooked through. Remember to adjust the heat if necessary to prevent any burning. Your delicious French toast is ready. Serve it warm right off the pan for the best experience. You can elevate this classic dish with a drizzle of maple syrup, a handful of fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries, or a dusting of powdered sugar. For an extra treat, consider adding a dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of chopped nuts. Enjoy this delightful and comforting breakfast, perfect for any morning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.